What is up, my woodworking YouTube friends? Free Tip Friday. You're making cabinet doors of some sort where you have a panel and stiles and rails. Stiles, rails, okay? And you have a raised panel or a flat panel. It is a good idea to finish inside the captured part of the panel that's going to be in the groove of the stile and the rail. And the reason why is, especially more so in a solid panel as opposed to this is a plywood panel. These are solid panels glued up and you make the size you want. This door I did not make. This is not a door I made. This was a sample door so that I can make doors for another cabinet that I was doing in the kitchen to match these cabinets. But this panel moves, okay? It expands and contracts. This one just happens to move a lot. Usually you put what they call space balls in the groove, and they help the panel move, but not to this extent. You don't want it moving this much. This is a lot, a super lot. But what can happen is when the panel contracts, you see that little blonde line in there? And it's really noticeable in your kitchen when in the warmer, well, I guess it would be when the heat's on and everything's expanding or contracting in your house. When it's the summer months, things expand, wintertime, things contract. And you can see this line plain as day if you don't apply some stain or paint to this area here, to the hidden area. So you want to think about that hidden area, finish it, because you'll see it. You don't necessarily need to put clear on it, just as long as you put whatever your finished color is inside the groove. You'll be fine. Be well, be blessed, and be safe in your job site or in your shop. Until the next time, see ya.